Hello everyone, welcome once again to Miss Rwanda 2022. Today our location is Bank of Kigali, which is one of the main sponsors of Miss Rwanda 2022. The 20 contestants have visited the headquarters of Bank of Kigali. They definitely learned a lot, and today they were also told about the cashless economy, which is one of the things that they should be able to put in front. And we also had a conversation with Dr. Diane Karusisi, who is the CEO of Bank of Kigali. She definitely had a lot to tell the 20 contestants.
muzaba n'abakiriya beza, muzakomeza no kubwira abandi kugana Beka, kuko our job is to transform lives. Umuntu tugezeho tumufasha mu buryo bwa business kwagura ibikorwa bye, ariko no mu buryo bw'ubuzima busanzwe tumufasha to build wealth kugira ngo ashobore kugira imitungo, ashobore kwiteza imbere, ateze imbere n'umuryango we. So this is what we do on a daily basis, and we are happy to have you. So nkuko mubizi, iki cyumweru ni cyumweru cy'abagore, ariko ntabwo ari gusa abagore. It's about women rights, right? It's not only about celebrating abagore, ariko what we are celebrating ni urugendo tumaze cyane cyane mu Rwanda dushyigikira cyangwa duteza imbere women rights. Ni ukuvuga rights mu Kinyarwanda ni iki? Uburenganzira bw'abagore. Murabizi ko natwe nk'abagore iyo tureba uko bamama bacu bari bameze nuko twe tumeze ubu ngubu, habaye impinduka igaragara ku buryo nanjye nk'umugore, nk'umuntu ufite umuryango, abana, gushobora kuyobora ikigo kingana na Beka, twibaza ko ari a lot of progress, right? So twebwe nka Beka nababwiye icyo dukora. Twashatse gufatanya na Miss Rwanda kuko tubona ko ari igikorwa cyiza. Mwebwe nk'abakobwa nibaza ko muri 20 hari abakobwa wenda bagera kuri miliyoni hanze aha mu Rwanda, wenda na hanze y'u Rwanda, babareberaho, babona ko muri beza, ariko babona ko munafite ibitekerezo byiza byubaka igihugu. So nicyo gituma natwe dushaka gufatanya namwe, kuko tuzi ko hari abantu benshi bari hanze aha babareberaho. Ikindi dukorana na Miss Rwanda ni ukusupportinga cyangwa gutera inkunga projet izagaragara ko ari ifite innovation. Twebwe nka Beka twemera ko kugira ngo igihugu cyacu gitere imbere, hari umuntu wenda uzahanga project yo akubaka ibintu bitangaje, hari uzajya mu nganda agakora ibintu bitangaje bikabona isoko, agacuruza, akatanga akazi. Ariko cyane cyane iyo hajemo akantu ka innovation, tubona more value. So nicyo gituma twebwe nka Beka dushaka gukorana na Miss Rwanda, umuntu uzatwereka project ubona ko ifite udushya twinshi, ifite na future yo kugira ngo iyo project iza growing, igere n'ukuntu ibona income, amafaranga. Ni ibintu twebwe dushaka gushyigikira. So ntabwo nzi ama projects yanyu, ariko dufite team izareba ku ma projects yanyu, turebe iya mbere muri zose ifite innovations. Tuzatanga inkunga mu buryo bwa ideas, ariko no mu buryo bw'amafaranga, kugira ngo uwo mushinga ushobore gutera imbere. So ibyo nashaka kuvuga uyu munsi, wenda turaganira gatoya kugira ngo mubaze niba mufite ibibazo kuri bank, ukuntu zikora, n'ibindi bibazo mwumva mwashaka kubaza. I'm here today for you. I have 30 minutes just for you, and let's have a conversation together. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Bahali Ruth, and I want to know when did Beka start?
We started operations in 1967. most of us were not born. So it's an organization that has more than 50 years. And I think for us to still be here after more than 50 years, it's because we've had innovation after innovation, and that has allowed us to be more successful. That's why we believe in innovation.
Thank you. My name is Queen, and I wanted to ask you, like, in your era, I know it wasn't easy for a woman to be directing such a bank. So how did you face the challenges, and how did you learn to cope with it? Thank you.
So I wouldn't say that it was very difficult. Maybe in my mother's time, it was more difficult. In my time, it was probably a bit easier, but I hope and I believe that in your time, it will be even easier. So I think every role, every job is challenging. And of course, leading a large institution also comes with challenges. But I think I'm supported by a very good team. I'm supported by a lot of mentors around me who show me the way when I have a challenge or a difficult decision to take. I can always go to them to request for an advice. And I think this is, in my leadership journey, has helped me to shape who I am today and to be able to, face all the situations with calm, because I always believe that the experience I have, the support I have, will help me make the right decisions for the organization.
Yeah, so my question is this. What is let's say, the biggest challenge that you faced during your leadership journey?
I think the biggest challenge for me has always been to sort of believe in myself. It's not even something external. It's not people not believing in me. It's being able to trust my, my guts. And sometimes I think your inner voice is telling you this is the right way to go. And of course, you'll have many other voices, external voices, who will tell you other things. I think along the way, I've learned to trust, what my inner voice tells me. And most times, it's been the right thing to do. Sometimes, of course, I make mistakes like everyone else. I've made many mistakes. But I think what is important when you make a mistake is to learn from that mistake.
Thank you very much. My name is Jessica. So we have heard that you support the most innovative project. Mm-hmm. So what do you base on by choosing the most innovative project? What do you base on?
So what we base on is look at the nature of the project. Is it bringing something new? Is it relevant to this market? Because we've seen in the past many people importing solutions from outside, but that are not necessarily adjusted to our contexts, because I believe context is very, very important. So what we look at is the project really addressing challenges that we see in the community. So if you're addressing a challenge that is faced by people in Latin America, maybe it won't be good for us. We want to see what problem are you trying to solve. Mm-hmm. And of course, innovation brings a lot of advantages, because we want to see, in addressing that problem, is the solution the cheapest? Mm-hmm. Is the solution the fastest than other solutions? Because you can have options. Mm-hmm. And this helps us to assess how good the innovation is, because first it is adjusted to the challenges that people face. Mm-hmm. And then it will solve the problems faster and at the cheapest cost, which for us we believe is the greatest thing.
I'm very happy to be here today, and I'm very happy to meet you. So I'm asking myself, how do you make sure that all services you give are inclusive? Thank you.
Thank you. I think it's a very, very good question. So what we do is we work with clients, and we have clients in different communities, and we make sure that the services that we offer are accessible by as many people as possible. Because we are a company that makes money, and we only make money when our services are addressed to as many people as possible. And for us, when we are able to have solution services that can be accessed by 1 million, 2 million people, I think it's, for us, a better opportunity to grow our business and eventually to make money.
Thank you. Thank you. I am Kelia Ruzindana. I heard about Inhomoko. Is it related with Beka? And if yes, I would like to know more about it. Thank you.
So Inhomoko is a different company that is specialized in training entrepreneurs, building skills to manage a business. Because you can have an entrepreneur who is someone who can, an IT person, but to manage a business, you need other skills. You need to know a bit about finance, accounting, human resource management, etc. So we work with Inhomoko, and when we have very good entrepreneurs who are very skilled at what they do, we tell them, for you to be able to manage a company, you need more than just the specific skill you have for your business. And we work with Inhomoko, and they provide all these other skills that are required for someone to manage a business.
Thank you very much. My name is Amanda Saro, and I wanted to know, as a bank, you have many other more competitors. So I want to know, what's your strategy to fight those competitors, or how do you do it? Thank you.
Thank you. So she's asking if we have many competitors. Of course we have many competitors. Many. We have, I think, 11 commercial banks in Rwanda. Yes. So for us to be able to remain the lead, to keep the leadership position, is we need to, address our customers' needs best. And one of the things, for example, we are doing, I believe, better than other banks, we have a large network of branches. If you go to Butaro, or you go to Nyamasheke, or you go to Rubavu, you'll see a BK branch. So this is a way for us to access more people. But also, we want to treat our customers the best. And I think we have a large team in charge of customer service. When they do well, our customers are happy, and they can refer us to their friends, to their colleagues, to their neighbors, and we get more business. So I think accessing more people, I think this is back to the question your colleague was asking. And also the other thing is being innovative in terms of the products we offer. Most of the times you'll see all banks giving the same product. It's an account, it's a loan. So we want to be more innovative, give the best rates, give new tools to access your account on the phone, on internet. And this is, for us, the way to remain on top of all other banks, because we provide good services and because we want to remain innovative.
Thank you so much. My name is Divine Shuti. My question is, how many branches does Beka have, and does it also work in other countries?
So we have 68 branches across the country, but we have what we call agents. I'm sure when in your neighborhoods, maybe you see agents where it's written Bekaya through Bank of Kigali. We have over 3,000 agents. So these are people who can provide BK services to our clients where we are not able to open a branch. And the other question was about business in other countries. For now, we believe we still have to serve Rwandans. Only less than 50% of Rwandan adults have a bank account. So I believe, as a Rwandan bank, I'll only go to provide services in another country when I'll have maybe 80% of our population banked, because I think it's important that we serve our people before we start serving other countries.
Thank you. So my question is personal question, actually. What would do you think you would need a Miss Rwanda that is at BK?
A Miss Rwanda that is at BK?
Yeah.
I mean, we would be happy to employ one of you. I don't know what you are specializing in.
Like maybe a programmer.
This is very good. We are looking for programmers, developers, designers, because we are developing a lot of our solutions digitally. So of course, we would be very happy to have a Miss Rwanda or Miss Rwanda contestant who is employed at the bank.
Where would that person apply to? Where?
So we have a website where you can go, and normally when we have openings, we put them there. But you also have, you can send an email to, you have all the emails on the website, and express interests, tell us, these are my skills, this is what I would bring to the bank. Is there an opportunity? And many of the young people who start at the bank, they start like that. They express interest, and eventually when we need the skills, we employ them for an internship and eventually for a position within the bank.
Okay, thank you.
So my name is Sabine Mutawazi. So what is the main challenge that you guys face besides the competition?
So the main challenge we face is we always want to provide the best services to more people and at a lower cost, because this is how business operates. You want to grow your business, but at a lower cost. And today, I think the solution we found is to take all our clients to digital platforms. We want people to transact on their phones, so they don't need to come to the branch, because it's even a better experience. When you're at home and you're able to do all your banking from home, it's better than taking the bus and coming to the branch and queuing. And that's why I think we've been able to do this session here, because in the past, we would have long queues, many people queuing for having banking services. So the main challenge for us has been to migrate even all our clients to our digital channels, because we've made a lot of investments in channels. And we still see people coming to the branch, yet they can pay their taxes online, they can pay their water bills online, and they still come to do it at the branch. So we are constantly educating our people. When they come to the branch, we tell them, what do you want to do? Maybe it's something that can be done online, and we show them how to do things and to show them that it's secure to do all these transactions online. And we hope that next 2-3 years, we won't have anyone queuing at the bank. Everyone will be transacting online. And all the people that you see here will be reskilled to do something else, to sell services or to do IT or to, provide support, etc.
Hello, my name is Umuhoza Pascaline. I have a simple question. Beka ni ya leta cyangwa ni umuntu ku giti cyiwe?
So ni ikibazo cyiza, beka ni yande. So iyo ufite ikigo kingana gutya, hari abantu bashyiramo capital kugira ngo ikigo gishobore gukora. So muri capital ya beka, umushoramari wa mbere ni RSSB, Rwanda Social Security Fund. Wenda bafite nka 30 zirenga ku ijana. Umushoramari wa kabiri ni Agaciro Development Fund. So between RSSB na Agaciro barenga 50 ku ijana y'ishoramari ryo muri beka. Iyindi migabane yose iri traded kuri stock market. Uyu munsi nawe wagenda ukagura umugabane wa beka, ukaba nawe umushoramari muri beka. Twe abakozi benshi dufite imigabane ya beka, ariko hari n'abandi bashoramari bari hanze y'u Rwanda, i Burayi, muri Amerika, ko babona ko dukora business nziza yungukira abakiriya bacu, ariko ikanabungukira ku buryo uko umwaka urangiye, iyo mubona muri media ko beka yungutse miliyari 40 cyangwa 50, ayo mafaranga tuyahemba abanyamigabane mu buryo bwa dividends, bakabona ko imari yabo bashoye muri beka ibungukira. So namwe mushatse kugura imigabane ya beka, mwagana stock markets, namwe mukaba abashoramari muri beka. Mwakoze cyane, nagize ibihe byiza, nibaza ko n'abakiriya bacu baje hano nabo bishimiye kubona Miss Rwanda, ubundi twese tubabona kuri televiziyo, twishimiye cyane kubabona. Urugendo rwanyu rurakomeza, tuzakomeza tubashyigikira, tubakurikira, and all the best. Thank you.
Hey Darina.
Hey.
How are you doing today?
I'm good.
You as well as the contestants visited Bank of Kigali headquarters. How was the visit for you?
It was amazing and educational because we got to talk about to one of the female leaders here, and she taught us all the challenges that she faced during her leadership journey, and it was really inspiring.
Definitely. The CEO is definitely a female, like you said, Dr. Karusisi. How does it feel to have being able to see a woman in power, and how does it inspire you as well as the contestants to be able to work hard in your future endeavors.
Yes, thank you. So, commenting on that, she actually told us one of the challenges that she faced. It was all about self-confidence, and it really boosted up my self-confidence, and it showed me that there are a lot of female leaders out there, and it encouraged me to do so as well.
Yes, and one of the joint projects between Ms. Rwanda and Bank of Kigali is innovation through her. Do you have a project that you think is going to be able to catch the attention of Bank of Kigali?
Exactly, but because of the advices that she shared with us, it enabled me to think through like about my project and to make it more strong and visible.
Definitely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Kevin, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine.
How are you feeling today?
I'm doing great.
All right. You and the 20 contestants were able to visit Bank of Kigali today. How was that for you?
It was great. We learned a lot. She gave us the tips about how the best innovative project will be, and I think my project, I'm going to perfect it more, and it's gonna bring a lot to the country and even bring as well the income to me.
Yes. Hi, Kevin. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Thank
All
you.
right. So today, you and the fellow contestants were able to visit Bank of Kigali. How did that make you feel? What did you learn today?
Yeah, I learned a lot, especially about the innovative project, and she gave us the tips. The CEO of Beka, and I think that my project, I'm going to perfect it more to be the best project that will bring profit and on a low cost for the people who are going to use it.
All right. The CEO is a female, and she is in a position of power, which most of the times does motivate as well as impress or give an inspiration to young ladies like you. How did that make you feel? She was able to give you guys a little bit of a piece of her journey and how she was able to work hard. How does that make you feel?
Yeah, actually, she talked about that being a female wasn't a problem to her, and I believe that on my generation, like where I am right now, things are easier, and we have a chance to be like more bigger than how other women were in the last generation. So I think I have a big chance to have a big contribution to the world, and especially Rwanda.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now that you've had a few tips, do you think you're going to be able to present your project well and be able to partner with Bank of Kigali?
I'm the one.
You're the one?
Yeah.
All right.
That's what I'm looking for.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Karusisi, thank you so much for taking the time to be with us here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure for me to spend some time with the young girls.
Yes, so the 20 contestants today visited Bank of Kigali head office. They were able to learn so many different things, but can you briefly tell us about the conversation that you had with the contestants?
So I think it was mainly about presenting what Bank of Kigali is, what we do, and our role in and the contribution in the transformation of our economy, and inspiring them, hopefully, to become one-day bankers.
Yes. Tell us about Bank of Kigali today.
So today, Bank of Kigali is the largest commercial bank in the country. What we do, obviously, and I was discussing with the young girls, is we help people save, but we also use these savings for people who want to finance businesses, industries, in agriculture and services, because we believe it's a way for us to support entrepreneurs out there who are providing jobs and livelihoods to the Rwandan people.
Yes, and some of the campaigns that Bank of Kigali is known for currently is Singomga Cash. Can you tell us about that?
So yeah, we believe in the world we live in, especially after COVID. We've learned that we don't need cash to transact.
Yeah.
For all your payments, you can have a non-cash method, and for us in the past, cash has been a very expensive mean to provide services, and we are telling our clients, if you transact digitally, this will lower the cost for us, for you, and we've been able to put in place digital channels that are very secure. And it's also convenient for them because you don't need to go to the bank to withdraw cash. You can pay your bills online. You can pay your taxes online. So we want to add convenience, but also affordability. And for us, when we are able to provide all our services to more people efficiently, because the people don't have to come to the branch, I think it's a win-win for us and for our clients. We are able to reduce the cost of operations in our business.
Definitely. So the 20 contestants were definitely eager to learn more about the cashless economy, Bank of Kigali. What are some of the questions that they were pointing at, and what did they mostly want to know today?
So, they ask questions about leadership in general.
Yeah.
What have been my challenges in my journey. Of course, I was sharing them very candidly.
Yeah.
But also they wanted to understand, they see this big institution, they want to understand, who's the owner.
Definitely, yeah.
And I was explaining to them that they can also be owners
Yeah.
of Bank of Kigali. And it's very easy. It's made easy and it's affordable to buy a Bank of Kigali shares through the stock market. And I'm hoping that, very soon we'll have more shareholders amongst these 20 contestants.
Yeah, and in the bus, they were very excited to come and visit Bank of Kigali. They were talking about how it's exciting to have a woman in a position of power. How do you feel being able to contribute so much to the confidence of these young ladies? Because Ms. Rwanda is all about a woman empowerment, and you are doing so much just by being in your position, and they look up so much to you. How does that feel?
So I think it's for me a responsibility.
Yeah.
I don't think it's randomly that I've become the CEO of this large institution. So I
Yeah.
want to tell all young girls who have aspirations that it is possible to become the CEO of Bank of Kigali, to become, a minister, to become a leader in any sector. I want to tell them that it is possible, and I think I also want to tell them that I'm not special.
Yeah.
So they can also be leaders. And when you interact, you have this face-to-face interaction, and they see that you're just, a normal woman,
Yeah.
and that you're doing all these things, but you're normal. And I think it will inspire more people out there to believe that it is achievable, it is accessible, because, you don't need to have special skills. You just need to be committed and, to do your work with diligence and integrity.
Definitely. So let's talk about innovation through her, which is a joint project between Ms. Rwanda and Bank of Kigali. Why did Bank of Kigali choose to partner with Ms. Rwanda to initiate this project?
So we believe that innovation drives growth and transformation. If you look at the world, the countries that have grown their economies significantly, it's because of innovation. And we believe that innovation is something that can be done at every level, in agriculture, in every sector. You can have innovative projects. And these are basically ways to do things, to solve problems faster, more efficiently, and reaching more people. So this is an innovation. So what we're telling them is, please, we want you to become entrepreneurs, because for us, entrepreneurs it's our business.
Yes.
If there are no entrepreneurs in Rwanda, you don't need a bank, because we are here to support entrepreneurs achieve their dreams. So mine was to inspire them to become entrepreneurs and to tell them that the most successful entrepreneurs is the ones that put innovation at the core of what they do. And my hope again is that if we have more entrepreneurs, and through these ladies, if we have more girls, young people in general, not only girls, that are inspired to do business in the future, I think this will be the clients of Bank of Kigali in 20, 30 years.
Yes. And as we wind up, where do you see Bank of Kigali in the next 5 to 10 years?
So I want us to have more clients. Today we have less than 50% of the adult population in Rwanda with a bank account. And I believe that that's not something we should aspire to as a country. So we want to have 80% of people having access to banking services. We want to be fully digital. We don't want people to come and queue here at the branch for the services. And we want to be the place, or the bank that will be the biggest supporter of the economic transformation across sectors. I think that's our ambition. And we are not doing badly. I think we're doing okay.
No, you're not. Yes, thank you so much. And lastly, any message for the 20 contestants who, in a few weeks, are going to be on stage fighting for the crown of 2022?
Look, I wish them luck. It's not easy. I would not do that. I'm not capable of doing that.
Yeah.
And I think that many people will judge them. So they really need to be strong enough to believe in their dreams and to believe that their dreams are valid. And I also want to tell them that there are many people out there that are going to be inspired. So I think do your thing well, and may the best win.
Thank you so much. So there you have it. That was a visit at Bank of Kigali. It was interesting. The 20 contestants were very excited. They also received gifts in honor of Women's Day that were given to them by the CEO of Bank of Kigali, Dr. Karusisi. It was very, very inspiring as well as knowledgeable.
Muri 20 basigaye 19 barigiza nkana kukumira ukumbi ari uzambikwe kamba muri finale ya Miss Rwanda 2022. Hesha amahirwe wawe umuto rukanda akanyenyeri 544 akanyenyeri 1 akanyenyeri umubare umuranga mu irushanwa urwego no ku rubuga igihe.com. Kuko uwa mbere mu matora azahita habwa umwanya mu 10 ba mbere top 10. Finale izabera urusororo kuri Intare Conference Arena ku itariki 19 Werurwe 2022. Tunajyamwe ibicu n'abanyeshuri b'ishuri rya muzika RSAM n'igitangaza mu bitangaza Bruce Melody. Gura itike yawe hakiri kare ku bihumbi 10 ahasanzwe 20 muri VIP na 30 muri VVIP. Ku muryango ku munsi nyirizina n'ibihumbi 20 ahasanzwe 30 muri VIP na 50 muri VVIP. Amarembo azafungurwa isaa 11. Show itangira saa 1 zuzuye. Ufite itike wese yemerewe gutwarwa na bisi zabugenewe kuva kuri Stade Amahoro kugera ku Ntare hagati ya saa 9 na saa 12 z'umugoroba, na nyuma ya show zibagarura ku Mahoro. Urasabwa kuba warahawe inkingo zose za COVID-19 no kwipimisha mu masaha 48 mbere y'umunsi nyirizina. Ntimuzacikwe. Miss Rwanda 2022 yatewe inkunga na Africa Improved Foods, Bella Flowers, Forza Gaming, Africa Medical Supply, Hyundai Rwanda, Volcano Express, University of Kigali, Intare Conference Arena, La Palisse Nyamata, IUCN, East African Promoters, Merez Petroleum, Rwanda Forensic Laboratory, Makuza Peace Plaza, Copa Telecom, Igihe Limited, Smart Design, Ian Collection, Keza Salon, Bisa Deco, HDI Rwanda, Diamond Smile Dental Clinic, Céline d'Or, Auto Express Garage, Goodave, HD Design, Primus. Drink responsibly. RBA, nah.
Bank of Kigali, financially transforming lives.